Did you know Korean has two ways to say numbers? We have Sino-Korean numbers like 1, 2, 3 and native Korean numbers like 하나, 둘, 셋. So when do we use each one? We use Sino-Korean numbers when we talk about dates, money, phone numbers, floors, and years. And native Korean numbers are for countings like apples, bottles, cups, books, animals, and people. For numbers over 20, Koreans use both native and Sino numbers depending on the situation. So now, let's read the numbers together. First, Sino-Korean numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1000, 만. Next, native Korean numbers. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉, 스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔, 백, 천, 만. 백, 천, 만 are the same in both Sino and native Korean. There is something you need to know about native Korean numbers. These 5 native Korean numbers change a little when used with counters. When followed by a counter, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 스물 change to 한, 두, 세, 네, 스무. For example, don't say 하나 잔, say 한 잔. Don't say 둘 명, say 두 명. Don't say 셋 마리, say 세 마리. Don't say 넷 개, say 네 개. Don't say 스물 살, say 스무 살. I'm sorry, one more annoying detail. If a counter comes right after, 스물 becomes 스무, like 스무 명. But if a number comes in between, we go back to 스물, like 스물세 명. Here are some examples. 스무 살, 20 years old. 스물두 개, 22 things. 스물다섯 번, 25 times. 스물여섯 명, 26 people. 스물일곱 잔, 27 cups. 스물아홉 마리, 29 animals. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.